In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix blue screen error on Windows laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, BSD, also known as the blue screen of death, on Windows 11 is usually a safety measure triggered by a driver conflict or a memory fault. Before your laptop restarts, look at the bottom of the blue screen for a text in all caps like critical process died or video TDR failure. Take a photo of this. Now, if your laptop is stuck in a boot loop where it appears every time you turn it on, turn the laptop on and off 3 times using the power button to trigger automatic repair. Then select advanced options, then troubleshoot, then advanced options, then startup settings, and then restart. Then press 4 or 5 to enter safe mode. And if the laptop stays on in safe mode, the problem is a driver or a software you recently installed and not your hardware. So while in safe mode, what you're going to do is go to settings, and I'll show you exactly what to do. So right click here, go over to settings, then on the left, go to Windows Update right here. Then once you're here, you're going to see update history. Go ahead and go to that. Right at the bottom though, you're going to see uninstall updates. So go over to that. Now, what you want to do is just remove the most recent KB patch, which in my instance would be this one right here. Now, what you could also do is uninstall any drivers. So right click your Windows icon again, then go over to Device Manager. Look for any items with a yellow triangle, and if there are any, right click them and then select Rollback Driver. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.